Hello and welcome back, beautiful Capricorns. Thank you for joining me here, Capricorn. Oh, yeah. Well, someone wants to make you an offer, but someone else is blocking it. I'm just saying, you have a spiritual hater here who is trying to block you from getting an offer. Okay, what's going on here? People talking crap. That's why. You're moving on. Someone's got bad habits here. Okay, or they're talking crap about you that you have bad habits. Just hang on. Somebody's got a nasty group of friends here who've been talking crap. They're in secret competition with you. They could be making up stories about you, trying to block you from getting an offer here. So somebody could be making up stories. They're trying to block an offer or an invitation. Okay, so let's get into the read. What are these karmic friends doing? What are these karmic friends doing? It's like talking shit. Somebody's talking shit about you. It's that damn, it's that damn Queen of Swords. Talking smut. Virtual hater. So, look, wanting somebody to turn their back on you. Could be plotting and scheming against you, trying to block an offer, trying to block an offer. This could be a romantic offer, like somebody wants to offer this high priestess, this earth angel energy, an offer. They want to give an offer. Somebody's trying to block the offer. Now, I'm trying to say, I would say that it's a romantic offer, but it could actually be an offer on a house or a business. Yeah, it can be romance as well. But right beside the career card, it makes me wonder if it's not a job offer. It makes me wonder if it's not like a business offer. It makes me wonder if it's not like an offer on a home, an offer on a job, an offer on a business deal, or a romantic offer. Could be a real estate deal. an opportunity, financial opportunity, a financial blessing. It could be a promotion, a raise, or an increase in money. It can be an invitation, an invite, a night out, invite you out. I, I don't know. Some kind of karma here. Someone's trying to block someone from getting an offer, a promotion, or a raise. And it looks like by their actions, someone could have someone could have threatened someone, or you are a threat to someone. Is this making death threats? Someone making death threats? Someone is talking shit. You're over here. Could be. Ooh, truth hurts. Somebody could have been accusing someone of being a bad parent, somebody's actions. I don't know. There's a lot of judgment here. It's because they're trying to block someone from getting an opportunity. So they're making up stories. They're talking about someone's past. They're digging up dirt. They're talking crap. They don't know what they're talking about. Could be to do with trying to control someone's work or control someone's family. This could be make someone scared, paranoid of a relationship. Blaming or accusing someone of doing a bunch of uh, bad habits or other things. Someone shed a lot of tears about something. Someone broke the Empress's heart. Someone else is here emotionally manipulating a situation. This is a breakdown. Someone is very admirable here. Someone has a lot of respect for this Empress. You could have left the situation. Someone's talking a bunch of crap here about the Empress, as usual. Someone is really, really hitting below the belt on a high priestess, on a high priestess empress. They're hitting below the belt. They're digging up dirt about the empress's past, accusing them of things that they're not guilty of. Because they're jealous. They're trying to block something. Someone is acting out of vindictiveness. They're doing it out of envy and vindictiveness. They're lying. Making up these lies to keep someone from their wish fulfillment. Trying to block someone from getting an offer, a genuine offer. They're trying to create derision. They're trying to create a wedge, and they're making up lies. They're dredging up an empress's past, trying to get information on an empress, accusing them of this, accusing them of that, accusing them and blaming them for this and blaming them for that, instead of looking at their own actions. Let's find out. You're trying to avoid some kind of drama, but they keep pushing for it. They can't do nothing to you. It's because someone is low key in love with you, and they're trying to block you from getting any other offer. I'm sorry, but they are. They're trying to make up stories. They're telling people stories so that this person wants you alone. It's like I told you, you got a copycat. So they're recruiting haters, right? 'Cause they see you getting all this love and they can't stand it. It's out of jealousy. Be careful with them. They play dirty. It's like they want to pick a fight with you because they're really happy when you mess up. You're going to witness their karma. You're going to witness someone's karma for doing this to you. Let's get a few messages from your past person and see what they want to say. I didn't mean to abandon you. Can't be with you, but I don't want to lose you. They sank into some kind of false fantasy. They're saying, I just need to hold you in my arms, thinking that time will heal our wounds. I can't even look at you without feeling guilty. I should never have left you. I told you they're getting hit with bad luck and bad karma. They're they are being, you're going to witness it as well, Capricorn. Somebody has been talking a bunch of dirt about you, and it's hitting below the belt kind of dirt. Spiritual haters trying to start drama for you, trying to get block you from getting an offer. I think you just got played out dealing with all of the drama. I think you're getting played out, or you got played out with dealing with it. And I think that you're going to witness their karma. You will see their karma. Somebody just been talking smut, trying to maybe destroy the reputation of the Empress by bringing up dirt about their past. They're dirt digging. Damn Queen of Swords. You know, there's nobody, as far as I understand, now not every Aquarius is like this. It could be a Gemini, I don't know. It's like, because the star came out with it. That's why I'm saying Aquarius, because it's almost like when an Aquarius is in their negative energy, like upright, they are factual. You know what I mean? They're all about being right and all about being, but in their negative energy, they can be ferocious. Ferocious. Like, upright, they're analytical, they're brilliant, they're very smart, they're very wise, but it's all, there's no emotion to them. They're emotionless. Like, they're all talk, they're all analyzing, judging, criticizing, critical, critical, but in their negative energy, which they were. Whoever this is, just is, they're talking smut. They can use that same tongue and use it for meaningful purpose, but when they're in their negative energy, they can be very cunning, very judgmental, very analytical, cold, no empathy, no sympathy, just everything is an analyzation instead of thinking emotionally. It's not going to happen. You're not going to get emotion out of them. It's not going to happen. It's like they're so quick to criticize, so quick to judge, so quick to analyze everything, but the last to look in the mirror. And I'm sorry, and that's no dirt on an upright Aquarius, because upright Aquariuses can be a Gemini as well, or a Libra, but it's leaning more to like uh Gemini and Aquarius. They're air signs. It's all about logic, analyzing, critical, very critical. But they're smart, they're intelligent, but when they're not in the energy they should be in, look the hell out. Those darts come out and they can shoot, man. Mm. So it's almost like Capricorn, like someone is just too quick to bring up dirt on other people. Like they're just, it's great to be wise. Do you want to be wise or do you want to be happy? Like, this is someone who has the need to be right. Like, they don't like listening to other people's points of view. They like having their point of view and they're always right. They can't look at something and just be sympathetic or empathetic for someone's plight. It's all analyzing. Well, this happened. Well, that happened. Well, it's because of this. Well, it's because of that. Well, all per business like when someone's suffering. You know what I mean? It's like someone is suffering and it's almost like a joke. It's almost like they get pleasure, whoever this energy is, actually derives some sort of sick pleasure out of seeing someone F up so that they can turn around and say, see, I told you so. See, I told you I was right. See, I told you that this would happen. They can be mentally and emotionally abusive and fail to see it. They're just not a loving individual. You're not going to get love out of them. You're going to get a critic out of them. Like they'll love in their way, but they're difficult to love. They are difficult to reach. They are difficult to get to their soft side of them because it's like everything is, it's just all about being right or being analytical, judgmental, critical. And then if you explode at them, they'll say, see how you reacted? And then make you look like the idiot because you responded or reacted that way. It's like they push you to the limits. And then when you blow, see how you reacted? You got the problem. The business mind comes out. See, I told you. But they are not looking at how they caused that reaction. It's like, it's almost like it is a form of sabotage. It's a form of sabotage. And that's what someone is doing. They are self sabotaging their own life. They are self sabotaging by, what does Dr. Phil say? You want to be right or you want to be happy? It's like this one don't care how far they go. They don't care who they hurt, what they say, because they're right and everybody else is wrong. They can't look at anyone else's point of view but their own. And they can't show empathy and they can't show sympathy. And if they do, it's very cold. They're unaffectionate. They can't show affection. They can't show like true, genuine affection. I mean, yeah, they might be gooey inside, but they never show you that. Or they don't express it that way. They come off, I'm right, I'm critical, I'm judgmental, I am analytical, I'm right, you're wrong. And if you explode at them or get angry at them, they get even. They get vindictive. And whoever this energy is talking shit. They don't know what they're talking about, but they'll swear that they know what they're talking about, but they don't know what they're talking about. It's like arguing with someone who you can never win an argument with. They're always right. Till finally you just say, yeah, whatever, or, yep, you're right. And then they get offended. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Well, because they have to be right. There's, they're a right fighter. I'm always right. I'm never wrong. I, I, but they'll swear up and down that, oh, I admit my guilt. I admit when I'm wrong. I can admit when, no, you can't. No, they can't. They can't. They're talking crap. They don't know what they're talking about. And even if you had facts and evidence to show them, here you go, here are the facts, here's the evidence, here's the proof, put it on the table in front of them, they'd analyze it all and pick it apart. And they would not say, you're right. It would kill them. They'd find an excuse. Now, this is somebody who's hard. That's what they used to call in the Bible in the old days a contemptuous woman. They are never content. They are never satisfied. Anything you do is never good enough. Anything you say is incorrect. Anything you offer them is not good enough. There's a problem with everything. And when they're in that negative energy like that, there is no pleasing them. So you may as well just not bother to try because they're not going to be pleased. If they wanted to be pleased, they already would have been pleased. And you're dealing with someone in this caliber, and they're being emotionally abusive. They're being emotionally abusive, but they'll accuse you of being emotionally abusive. Like, how do you win here? Like, how do you win here? They say some hurtful, cutting, cold things, but they will never, never admit to it. And if they do, they don't learn by it. They just go right back at it and find another issue to pick apart. It's just their nature. And sometimes we got to learn to read people's natures because this person will never be content with what they have and who they have in their life. I don't know who this is. This could be a family member of yours. This could be a friend of yours. But they're like, it seems to be they get a kick, find it funny to push Capricorn's buttons to the point of where Capricorn will respond or react. But they will never look at how they caused you to react the way you reacted. You might just walk away. You might be the type that just says, I'm out of here. I'm done. Fight by yourself. I don't know. When Capricorn is done, Capricorn is done. And that's the way that they are. You're either going to have a decent conversation, speak rationally, or I'm out of here. And it's like someone is pushing your buttons to the point where you respond in a negative way so that they can say, see, I told you so. Look it, you're a hothead. Look it. You're just like, I'm gone. Oh, why do you keep walking away? I'm still talking to you. Why are you walking away? Well, you're like, I don't hear you. I'm sorry. I can't hear you. And then they wonder why you react the way you react. They're pushing you to your limit. Someone is pushing you to the point of reacting. So the best thing to do is starve a narcissist. Do not react. Because that's why they do it. To get a reaction from you so that they can turn around and blame you for that reaction. So don't. Just walk away. Take care.